Welcome. We are Qimam International School students.
And today we're gonna do a blinking light bulb with Arduino Uno.
So, what is the Arduino?
The Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board developed by Arduino.
Arduino software is easy to use for the beginners, and also it is flexible enough for the advanced use.
Hi, here I'm gonna make a simple circuit just to show you how the light can turn on and off. First, we have these wires that are used to form the circuit by connecting resistors and other components together. And this is the breadboard, and here the Arduino contains ground pins for the negative connection and pins from 0 to 13 for positive connection. Let's start putting the things. Here, this is the LED. And then take the wire to connect it from the negative part to the ground pin. And the resistor to reduce the flow of the current. And another wire. Take it from the resistor and put it from the pins from 1 to 13. And here, I opened the Arduino IDE and wrote the code to program the circuit to help the LED turns on and off. Let's click the upload. And now let's check it together. Actually, the resistor just came out of place. And yeah, it actually works. That's how simple it is. Thank you.